Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to get this mold working. So with some glue gun. So here's my glue gun, which I keep in this trusty can of hot dogs, with a roll of tape around the bottom to stop the whole thing falling over. But it's just a basic make and do, make mend, whatever. Glue gun holder. So anyway, let's do this. So literally I'm just gonna chuck it in like that. It's all pretty low key stuff to roughly the surface of the mold. This is a bit of a rubbish glue gun, so I have to force the glue through by hand a lot of the time. But yeah, that's literally the whole thing, the whole deal, I suppose. And I suppose, like, if you're making model Daleks, this is a good way of doing it as well. So, you know, if you're trying to make hemispheres, it's good to have some sort of mold to make copies. Once you've found the right size hemisphere, you can make your mold from. So, I mean, I know a lot of amateur Dalek builders will, or like model makers anyway, will scour the earth looking for the right size hemisphere. They'll find anything that's roughly the same size, and stuff like that, or whatever they can find. The whole thing of them here, so they're all like different sizes, and just trying to find something that you could take a mold from. Now I've run out of glue gun, I've got to stick some more in. So this is the kind of stuff you got to do if you want to make molds. The other way, I mean, this is just a really cheap way of doing it. I wouldn't recommend using glue gun, particularly if you live in hot climates, because glue gun is only good for anything up to 80 degrees or something, maybe less, I don't know, but it will melt in hot climates, that's for sure. So if you're living in like hot places like